joining me here on my Fab Life channel. My name is Ty Brown and I'm a self-confessed, self-diagnosed fashion addict. As you can see from today's title, I've got a collective haul. I picked out a few pieces from a few different brands. So before we get started, just a super quick intro and we can get right into the video. Firstly, please do subscribe if you haven't already. Thank you so much for all the new subscriptions I've got recently. I really appreciate it. Comment down below what your favorite item is or your favorite look is from this styling lookbook. Also, if you're not following me on Instagram, then please do so. My Instagram handle is the Fab Life. That's FHAB because it's fashion, health, hair and beauty. So I do post quite regularly on there. Personally, I like to mix high-end luxury designer pieces with high street pieces, but I always like to choose high street pieces that have some element to them that are reminiscent of designer pieces and basically really good at finding designer dupes. So if you like that, I'm going to link a couple of designer dupe videos that I've done here on YouTube, but you definitely need to hop onto my Instagram because I post lots of pieces on great high street finds that are very reminiscent of designer pieces. And finally, please do turn your notification bell on. I've got a ton of videos coming up in this spring summer series, including a £300 Zara haul. Wait, what? Just rewind. You heard me correctly. I have got a £300 Zara haul coming up. I think it's coming in 5 boxes. 2 have arrived, waiting for them to all come in, and then I'm going to try and find a more creative way of styling them for you in a video rather than just showing them one at a time, like here's what I got and here's what I got, because I think that would take so long. So let's get on with today's video, which is showcasing 6 styles of spring summer dresses. Everything will be linked down below. I'm going to start off by showing you the accessories that I got. My absolute favourite buy from this entire haul are these Mules from Missguided. So fun fact, this is my first time ever in life buying from Missguided, and I don't think I'll be disappointed because they look like quite good quality. Obviously I haven't worn them yet. They were originally £30 and then they were reduced to £20. If it's your first time shopping on Missguided like it was mine, I do have a discount code for you. When you go to checkout, just tell them I sent you. Just give them my name, not the Fab Life, my actual name, which is Ty Brown. I'll leave it on screen so you can spell it, T-A-I-Y-E Brown, and that allows you, I think, 15% off your order. I picked up some jewellery because they were all very reminiscent of brands like Missima, Tiffany and Dior. This was from ASOS. It was £8 for a pair, which I thought was such a good price. So they are different bracelets, but they come as a set. So you've got this one, which is more of a twist bracelet. That's very reminiscent of Missima, and the link bracelet is a little bit more reminiscent of Tiffany. This necklace is from Dorothy Perkins. Again, it's got that twist detail, so very Missima inspired in that way. This was only £7, I think, or £7.50. So the other necklace I got, which is also from Dorothy Perkins, is this beautiful link style necklace, slightly longer than the other one I showed you. This was originally £12.50, now reduced to £6, so such a great price. It's got the links, which is very reminiscent of Tiffany's, with the Tiffany link necklace. But that pearl and gold disc detail is very reminiscent of Dior. The La Petite Jabali bracelets. Can't remember if there was a necklace of that, but there's definitely a bracelet of that. So both the necklaces and the bracelets are going to be styled with a lot of the dresses that you're going to see. I then picked up this bag from ASOS because I really wanted a top handle bag in a nude colour, but now that it's arrived, I'm not entirely sure. Can you see that it looks a bit wonky? Is that just me? Can you guys comment down below? Is this straight or is this wonky? It actually looks quite nice on camera. In person, I'm not entirely sure. It was only 20 something pounds and I feel like you can kind of tell. If you see that in the cutaways looking a little wonky, I told you first. This white and straw bag is new in. I got this last week from Accessorize. I really wanted a white bag that would pick up some of the white accents price. This was originally £29 and I picked it up for £20. I then picked up these white slides, which are such a good dupe for the Gucci slides, and really I was thinking about some of those white accents, like I said, that's going to go perfectly with this. I picked these up from ASOS and I think they were £10. Also from ASOS are these pair of leather slides. They need absolutely no explanation, but these are actually New Look brand. So the first style of dress to think about in the spring summer is definitely the Sundress. When the weather gets warmer, let's be honest, no one really wants to faff about with lots of fabric and lots of detail. We want simple, elegant pieces. The one I'm going to show you is from Dorothy Perkins. I love this dress because it's got the two-tone buttons, and that really allows for versatility in the accessories that you choose. You'll see from the cutaways that I've played on the two tones with my ASOS two-tone sling bags, which are very reminiscent of the Chanel sling bags. I know that Dune have a very similar pair, and Marks and Spencer's also have a very similar pair. H&M have got quite a few of these sundresses in a ton of different colours, including this beautiful lemon print. Next up is the white dress. Spring summer would not be complete without a white dress. I have got quite a few different white dresses. There is still online available the beautiful linen white dress from the H&M and Joanna Ortiz collaboration. I picked this one up in a size medium, and that is still quite large, 2 sizes down in that. What I'm going to show you now is this absolutely stunning dress, also from H&M, very reminiscent of Zimmermann, with things like the lattice detail. It's a short floaty dress, really feminine and really flirty. I really like this. This is actually sold out, but I'm going to link a couple also from H&M. Style dress is the wrap dress, which I find is such a universally flattering silhouette on most body shapes. As soon as I saw it, I thought this is very reminiscent of the Zimmermann polka dot dress. The Zimmermann style is different. It's not a wrap dress. It's quite high neck. Boohoo have one identical to the polka dot, which isn't a wrap style dress. AX Paris have an absolutely gorgeous sleeveless version of this as well. Next style dress I've got is a print dress. It could be any print and it could be in any silhouette, but I love print dresses in spring summer because they are easy to throw on, but it instantly feels like you've made an effort. The print dress I'm going to show you is this gorgeous midi dress from Zara. It actually came with a black belt, which I've taken off because I plan to swap it for this lighter coloured belt. Trying to keep things spring summer appropriate, but you absolutely could keep the black belt on and still team it with a white blazer or even a black blazer and black strappy shoes, making it a little bit more evening appropriate. Moving on to the knit dress. Knit dresses are one of the spring summer 2020 trends, and you might have seen on my Instagram I put up a couple of stories about. So inspired by Hayden Ackerman, I've got this ribbed dress. Now I know this is black, bear with me, but black can be so chic for spring summer. The other inspiration when it comes to knit dresses is actually from Jacquemus. Now I feel like Jacquemus has become renowned for things like the mini, super mini bags, but one of my personal favorite pieces from Jacquemus is the knit dress with the super sexy, super high split. So in honor of that, I've actually got this beautiful light grey maxi dress. This I actually got from an independent boutique. If I can find it, I'll link it, but I'll definitely link something similar. dress style is a floral dress. Yes, I know. Floral dresses in spring, groundbreaking.
I was thinking I could
Florals for spring. Groundbreaking.
The floral dress I'm going to show you is this gorgeous, gorgeous dress from the H&M collaboration with Joanna Ortiz. I think this was my favorite piece from that particular H&M haul that I did. Now, I appreciate this is not the most obvious floral print. So if you want to go super girly and feminine, then of course you can go for the typical floral dresses. I do have this one to show you, which has got the most beautiful, gorgeous print. I'll just bring it up close so that you can see that details. And I wanted to show you this because H&M have a very similar print. Revolve also have a beautiful and similar print dress, and Chicwish also have a little bit more affordable dress. My loves, I hope you enjoyed this styling video looking at different dress styles for spring summer. This is more for casual dresses in the daytime, and I will be doing a separate video on more event appropriate outfits, for example maybe as a wedding guest. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please comment down below which was your favorite piece or favorite outfit, and don't forget to look out for other videos coming up. Lots of videos in the spring summer series. Thank you so much for watching the Fab Live, and I will catch you later.